at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got something I found at the same place I found the last review from. That was 99 Ranch Market in beautiful downtown, well, not really downtown. Highway 99 side, Edmonds, Washington. Pretty much the place where the Ramen Raider went from only being 60 reviews to being revived. Anyways, yeah, I used to live over there. This is Love to Share Scallion oil noodle dealy deal. Comes in a flip top box, kind of looks like a pack of smokes. That's kind of fun. Yeah, like smoking. You like smoking? Don't smoke. Don't do that. Unless you really, really need to. I'll tell you, my sister, boy, wow, okay. I got a story for you. I wasn't going to talk about that. I'm going to tell you a story about my sister Sue. Now, growing up, my sister is like 13 years older than me, I think. She's older than me. And I was like always stoked because she was like off at college and I was a kid. And she'd come home and like clean out her closet and I'd like hang out and I'd be like, oh wow. She'd give me all this cool stuff from her closet. That was a big deal. Remember that? It's like, hey, it's my sister Sue. Yay. I still am. I really enjoy seeing my sister. But, yeah, dig this. So, she's been battling high blood pressure for a long time. Especially lately with all the stuff that's gone on with her mom and all that. It's just been a really hard time lately. Especially for Noodles boiling over. Come on, knock it off over there. And, yeah, so all of a sudden, so she went into the doctor. She had like super high blood pressure. They got it down, but ever since she had like this blurriness in her left eye, and it was like really bugging her. So she goes in the doctor, and they go, "Okay, well, it could be this, could be that. We're gonna send you to a specialist." So she goes to the specialist, right? Well, she goes to the specialist and they say, oh, it's this, so you need to hang out, go hang out for like a half an hour and come back and we're gonna do shots in your freaking eye. No joke. They're like, oh. I mean, look, my left eye's shut thinking about that. When I was a kid, I had to do eye drops, and I would pitch the biggest fit about getting eye drops. Going to the ophthalmologist. It was horrible. Oh my god. Mainly, I think for me, it was like a whole kind of like boundary issue, you know? Like people all getting up in my face and stuff, but they never made me get a shot in the eye. Oh crap. She said that was like the second bravest thing she ever did. Like, man, I feel brave, not just like that I didn't vomit or vomit on my phone. As soon as she told me about that, I was like, oh my god. Ah. But she did it, got it done. And then of course, what do they say? Oh, well, you're probably gonna have to have this done every month for a few months. Wow. Anyways, so yeah, and I'm cooking food now. I'm going to do a review of this food. By the way, think about having a shot in your eye. What a fun lead-in. What else is going on? Oh, so this morning I was going through my junk mail and I came across an email from I won't get too specific on it because it's not a definite yet, and I never asked if there was like if I should talk about it or not yet, but I did a Zoom interview with a nice lady from Singapore, and it looks like I'm gonna be on I guess you'd call it a current event show on Singaporean TV. I guess it's like the oldest running current event show on Singaporean TV on that channel. That's humbling. They're like, yeah, we need to talk to somebody. We're going to do something all about instant noodles. And, you know, everybody here says if you want to talk to the guy about instant noodles, it's to you. I'm like, wow, that's humbling too. Huh? Yeah, you having fun? I think she's having fun. But yeah, I'm like, wow. To me, that's just like the neatest thing. Wow. But, you know, I guess I do know a bit about noodles, but still, that's just like, huh. Cool. Anyways, so yeah, that'll be fun, and that's, I guess, is supposed to, I'll do like an interview or something, and it'll take a couple hours, and it'll be at a special time, and this and that. Sounds like it'll be pretty, not casual, but more of a formal interview. That's pretty neat. So maybe I'll have to get something nicer to wear. I don't know. I'll have to ask them. They'll know. But anyways, that is done. There's one thing we gotta do, and that is, oh man, this is hot. It said, take 250 mils of boiling hot water, and that, I would say this qualifies as boiling hot. It is moving. See that? I'm not doing that. Isn't that smooth? Yeah, I don't want it to be doing that. I've got to tighten. I'm loosening. I'm loosening. I don't want to loosen. Well, let's see if this works. I really hope it does. Because I've run into this problem before. It just starts moving on its own. Okay, we're going to say that's good. So noodles are done. And then we got to make the soup. And so you take this big sachet, and this is one of those ultra explodey style dehydro things. It's either dehydrated or freeze dried, but this is the soup element. Watch this. Oh, you. Yeah, watch. It'll like go. It's like soaking everything up. It's getting bigger. Whoa. Yeah, it's like they're freeze dried or something. I don't know, but you get the idea. It's like a shrink-a-dink or a sea monkey. No, not a sea monkey, but it's like one of those things that it's just one of those things. Now they call this a seaweed soup. Okay. See, I look at this and I'm like, is this an accompaniment or does this go with the noodle or both? I mean, the idea I got is that this is a dry noodle that goes with a soup. Let's see how this is. Okay. I'm going to put this to the side. I have a feeling these are two separate things. Alright, let me drain the noodles. Yellow! I like yellow. Ladies and gentlemen, the boy wonder Miles. Say hi, Miles. Hi. Okay, let's put this in here. This is a lot of noodles. Hi! A Yellow school bus. I always thought they were kind of closer to almost being a weird orange. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You really don't have to. That's my favorite thing when places say that. Let us know what you think in the comments below. They don't care. They want to make you think they care. I know you think it's probably yellow. That's fine. This is so weird. I don't see anywhere on the package. Not only that, I don't see anywhere in images I've seen of this stuff showing that these are two separate things. I mean, I can add it in, but that is a very small amount of liquid for, I mean, look at this. This is a lot of food. So I tried the broth. I'm going to try the noodle. And then maybe I'll just mix it up and see what happens. Because, I mean, this smells really good though. Oh heck no, I'm not putting those two together. Those are perfect separate. This is good and that's good. It doesn't have a strong seaweed flavor. Almost seems like it's got a lot of egg in it. This is just sensational. Very nice scallion taste to it. Oh boy. Now it's plating time. I apologize, I wasn't prepared for plating time. Plating time. Come on, plating time. There we go. I agree, Miriam. Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter Miriam squealing. Where was I? Plating. So we have this plate, which I think will be the right size for this application. Man, I picked like 3 things to review today. I'm still doing 3 reviews a day, and I'm having another bite of this stuff, let me tell you. But yeah, I picked like the three things that are going to take the longest. Well, the third one should be pretty quick, but I've already been doing this for almost an hour. This one, I believe, would get my wife's vote of approval, and that's not easy to get, especially for stuff that I like, because she generally thinks a lot of the stuff I like, she's like, you're nuts, that's gross. But this, I think she would like. It's hard not to. I mean, it's just like a sweet, tasty, yummy treat. And a little bit of this. The tricky part is I'll have to find something to put the broth in. All right. This is a winner. This is really good. The soup is nice. The noodle's great. Yeah, you should, if you can find it. They got it at 99 Ranch in Edmond. Ah, man, you son of a. Let's try. Oh, is that the deal? Let's try that. Max tilt. We'll give that a go. Cheers. Yeah, just awesome stuff. I'm really impressed. All right, well, cool. Yeah. Love to share scallion oil noodles. Have a good one. Bye.